Have you ever wondered how big an asteroid needs to be to completely destroy Earth? Not just a city, not just a country, but the entire planet. Scientists say an asteroid just 10 to 15 kilometers wide, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, could erase most life on Earth. But to shatter the whole planet into pieces, it would take a monster, at least 1,000 kilometers across, moving at 20 to 30 kilometers per second. That releases more energy than every nuclear bomb ever made, 1 trillion times over. Let's hope that rock never comes our way. Subscribe us for more interesting facts about our universe and more.